Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm McKenna and I'm opening my cash register today, and it's kind of big, and we're going to open it with scissors.
Yes, and you make sure you have an adult.
And make sure you have an adult because they're really sharp and you could cut your finger off.
That's right.
Chop it off.
So it's called My Cash Register.
It's called My Cash Register.
And what color is it?
It's pink and it's white and it's so pretty.
So it comes with these coins.
It comes with these coins.
So it says for ages 3 and up, and it does make noise. However, we were trying the buttons and they didn't work, so we did get some extra batteries.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. We did got some
Extra batteries.
Extra batteries.
And we do have a little toolkit here because it looks like you do need a little mini screwdriver.
Yeah.
So that's okay. And then we're going to play cashier.
Yeah.
What are you taking out now?
I am almost taking this stuff out, Mama.
What is that?
It's quarters quarters and pennies.
I was mistaken. So it doesn't come with batteries. It says right on the bottom you'll need a screwdriver, and it uses 2 AA batteries, which we do have. Can I have 2 batteries, please?
Yes, Mama. Oh. Here you go, Mama.
Thank you.
And here's 2 AA batteries.
Okay. So first it goes this way.
And then
You got to put this side in first. Yes, like that. Oh. And you put the screw back in. So make sure you have an adult help you with the screwdriver and the batteries.
yeah. Oh, and make
It wasn't
sure.
very hard to get out. But now you can see that McKenna took off all the coins. You can just twist those and they come off really easily.
Yeah.
They come with quite a bit of coins here. Look,
Ooh, there's a lot.
I guess these are, they say euros on them, but they do say, what number was that?
2.
2 euros. I mean, we don't use euros, but. So it comes with 4 of those. Looks like 4 of these that say 10 euros. And 4 of these that say
And 1.
2 euro cents.
And
4 of these that say 1 euro cent. Cute fake play money, but you can see that also there is an on and off button. The buttons are really nice because they're kind of rubbery, but they will catch some hair and dust and stuff like that, so it's probably important to keep something like that clean regularly. All right, you almost got everything out so you can play cashier?
Yeah. Okay, I got all this stuff out.
All right, it also comes with a little key.
And some cake. And some cake. And
it comes
some
with
juice. A card.
a credit card.
A credit card. And some money.
And some money. Cool.
And a key? Where's the key?
The key is right here. That popped up. There's a huge open button there, so that's cool. You want to put your money in here?
Yeah.
And there's really nice slots. You can put 4 of each. And let's see if the calculator actually works. Let's do 2. Oh, it makes a sound. You would do plus 2 equals. Then you do equals. What is that number?
4.
4, that's right. So you want to, there's all kinds of numbers there that you can use, and there's also a decimal so you can put in the money. You want to see if say clean up on aisle 6.
Clean up on aisle 6. Okay.
That hurt.
Yes.
Try that again.
Clean on aisle 6. Okay.
Oh, I
Okay.
think it's your microphone. Let's see.
Okay.
Clean up on aisle 6.
Yeah. Put my money in so I can do it. Okay.
So let's clear this. That's the clear button. Perfect. Right there, and also the on and off button. I wonder if the light works. How does the light go off? Oh, maybe when you scan something. Let's finish putting all the money in first.
Yeah. Okay, we're just.
Oh, that's funny. How the money doesn't actually fit in the slots for these large coins, but they can go right on top of the bills.
Mommy, can I please blow my nose?
Sure, let me get you some Kleenex.
Cause I'm really
Does the scanner work? Let's see. Well, that's a shame. Let's see. It's not working.
ooh, milk. Milk. And it's free. Okay, this is orange juice. This is orange juice. So orange juice in here.
Wait. Ow!
Sorry, that was an accident. Just punched you in the face.
Yeah, you did just punch me in the face.
Well, that didn't hurt really, did it?
Thanks for saying sorry. Oh, there we go. Why didn't it work before? All right, I didn't do anything. But for some reason it's working now. All right. So it has this really cool thing where you can scan, like a hand scanner, and you press this button and a little light lights up. I don't know if you can see, but it's like you're scanning that. So
Yeah, Mommy,
you
I
want
can
me to be
see.
the customer?
No,
You want to be the customer?
no, I will scan it.
Okay, so you be the cashier. You put all the money in here?
Okay.
Oh, I'll take this. Okay. Comes with this little box. These little boxes are so cute. They're very good quality, I'd like to say. Sometimes you get like the real cheap, flimsy boxes, but and it looks like a can of milk. It looks like milk.
It is milk.
Yeah, but it's like a can.
Yeah, it is
That's silly because
Yeah.
milk does not come in a can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, maybe it just comes like that.
Let's go to here. Oh, right. You want to sit. There we go. La 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 la. I need to go shopping. I need to get milk. Oh, here's some. And I guess I'll make some biscuits. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, why thank you. Okay, I'm ready to check out.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. Wait, Mommy. It's supposed to go on a.
I'm not your mother. I'm a shopper.
Okay. So.
Okay, you're going to scan it. Does it have a barcode?
No.
I guess you can scan it anywhere. Is it on? Push the on button. Oh, it turned off on its own. No, that's the off button, honey. Turn it on. There we go. Oh, perfect. Oh. I guess you can use this down here.
Yeah.
There we go. How do I help you with that? Okay? Here's the biscuits. All right. Oops.
I'll be right back. Milk just. It's on my leg. This microphone on my leg and tingling me like
All
a
right.
log.
Oh no, it didn't scamp anything. You're supposed to type in how much it is.
Oh yeah.
Why don't we do that again? Okay. Can I have the food back, please?
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna type in how much it is?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you can type how much. Excuse me.
04785
That's a lot of money for groceries. How much do I owe you?
$4.
$4? These are too big. Can you put it on my Smart Bank card, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Perfect. You can just put them all back in my basket.
Okay. And you can put them back.
Put them back? Oh, okay. Well, I just paid for them, so I'm going to use them.
Yeah, you can use that basket because we don't really use baskets. We just get some more at we just sew these baskets.
You sell them?
No, we sew them.
Oh, you sew them. You
Yeah.
didn't sell them. Oh, so you're going to sew some more baskets?
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I wonder if that key works really well or not. Let's see.
It does.
Oh, you have to do it down like this. Ah, so you see here, if you turn it down
I know, Mama.
and then you turn it this way to
It
open it.
unlocks it, and then if you turn it this way, it locks it.
Or
Okay, Mommy.
it's not working. Can you try and open it with the key? Oh, okay, that works too. Or you can just press the open button.
I don't think so, Mommy.
I have some more groceries I'd like to buy.
Okay, well, you could go at we pay any groceries that you don't pay, and the other ones don't give money. They just use credit cards.
Oh,
Oh, and Mommy, can I give you some more money?
Oh, sure. You
Cause
can give me some change after I buy this, okay?
okay,
So, I would like to buy this, please.
sure. Okay. Take this.
Oh. Go.
Oh my gosh, this is so stuck.
Oh, here, you can put it right back into my basket. And you gotta type in how much it is. Type in how much it is. Perfect. I need that milk for my cereal. I love milk.
Okay.
I need some orange juice for my breakfast. And I'll use the milk to make these sweet biscuits. And did you add how much it is?
No, not yet.
Okay,
Let me just.
I'm ready to pay.
Okay, wait. I didn't.
Thank you for bagging my groceries.
You're welcome. Let me type it in.
Okay, go ahead.
So. Okay, and I'll open my thing.
Well, how
So
much do I owe you?
You owe me $3 and I'll give you some more.
Okay. Here's a 50.
Okay. Thank you.
Can I have my change, please?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
That's a lot of change.
I have some more.
Oh, okay.
Next.
Next. All right. What do you think of this register? Do you
It's
think
good.
it's good?
Yeah.
Do you think kids would like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how old are you?
I'm 4.
Show everybody how old you are.
I am 4.
And this is for ages 3 and up, and it was a very good toy. What do you
Yeah.
think? You like it?
Yeah.
Can you put this money back in there,
Yeah.
or you want to play with it?
I want to play with it for a
All
little
right.
bit.
What do we say to everybody?
Pa, give me a big thumbs up for this show.
For this video, and if you
And-
want to subscribe,
You check on this channel every day of this holiday.
not every day, but we'll try and
Yeah.
get as many videos as we can out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thanks for watching.
Subscribe on my video.